Today on Cassidys Craveable Creations, I'm going to show you how to make perfectly cooked keto roasted asparagus. So this keto roasted asparagus is a healthy side dish I'm sure everyone is going to love. And I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on mine today, but if you're paleo or dairy free, feel free to leave out the cheese and leave out the butter and just use a little bit of additional oil. So we're going to start by trimming the asparagus, and an easy way to know where to trim it is if you just hold up a stalk and then just kind of lightly bend it, it'll naturally break. And so wherever it naturally breaks, that's like where you want to trim the rest of the bunch. And so I'll just lay it down here and use that as a guide and trim the ends off the rest of the asparagus. Okay. So after you trim it, we'll just discard these woody ends here. So once all your asparagus is trimmed, we're just gonna spread them out on a baking sheet. It can be lined or unlined, it doesn't matter. Then we'll drizzle the top with some olive oil, have some sea salt, pepper, lemon pepper, and I love the flavor of this lemon pepper. It's just so delicious. And lots of minced garlic. Now we'll just mix everything together really well. And then just kind of arrange them on the baking sheet, and so all of the asparagus pieces lay flat and they're not all stacked on top of each other. Okay, I think these are nicely spread out, and so I'm just going to put a few pats of butter on top. And like I said earlier, if you want to omit the butter, you can use dairy-free butter, or you can maybe just add a tiny bit more oil. But I really like the flavor that the butter lends to this recipe. Now we're gonna cook these at 400 degrees. Usually I cook thin asparagus for 8 to 12 minutes, but these are like the thinnest asparagus pieces I've ever seen. So I'm actually gonna check these at 7 minutes. But if you have like the really big, thick pieces of asparagus, you'll wanna cook them for 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. For the thin asparagus, I go ahead and add it. Or if you're using the thick asparagus, you can add it in the last like 6 to 8 minutes of baking time. And I'm using the powdered Parmesan cheese, but you can also use like the freshly grated Parmesan cheese if you like. And you want to bake the asparagus just until the base of it is tender and easily pierced through with a fork. You want it to be tender yet ever so slightly crisp. When it's done, it'll start to sweat, but it'll still have like that vibrant, bright green color. Once it starts to turn olive green, it's on its way to being overcooked, and overcooked asparagus means that it's stringy and it's hard to bite through, so you definitely don't want to overcook it. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to make perfectly cooked keto roasted asparagus. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. And to see more recipes like this, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be alerted each time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Delicious.